Out at the shoreline where the waters meet the sky, the golden sun is shining, watch the eagles fly. But deep in the waters where the tumble strays, we're planting native trees to brighten up the day. The snowy egret dances in the evening glow, while the glossy ibis struts, putting on a show. We've got a mission as clear as can be, restoring the habitat for all who roam free. Let's restore the trees at Charles Island, future home for our feathered friends. Every tree that we plant in the soil, we're giving them hope, we're nurturing the wild. Volunteers working hard side by side, hearts full of love, the nature we can find. The wind whispers softly through the branches above, while we dig in the soil that we sow all of our love. With every little sapling, we're building a dream, creating a refuge, a beautiful theme. The call of the egret rings out so clear as the colors of sunset start to disappear. But we'll stand together to watch the birds thrive. With every leaf that grows, the whole island's alive. Let's restore the trees at Charles Island, future home for our feathered friends. With every tree that we plant in the soil, we're giving them hope, we're nurturing the wild. Volunteers working hard side by side, with hearts full of love, the nature we can find. Oh, the joy in our hearts as we watch them ascend in the skies above, they're the message we send. Together we stand, hand in hand, strong and true, restoring the beauty with a clear view. Let's restore the trees at Charles Island, future home for our feathered friends. With every tree that we plant in the soil, we're giving them hope, we're nurturing the wild. Volunteers working hard side by side, hearts full of love, the nature we can find. So here's to the trees and the life that they bring, to our snowy egret and the birds that sing. On Charles Island, we'll cover the ground, restoring a sanctuary where nature's found.